Hello everyone, I have a new unboxing video to try today. So I'm tried out this subscription box. Oh, there's a lot more tape on here. And as you can see here, this is the July box from Your Creative Studio. I think that's what it's called. It sounds a little rattly, so I hope that nothing's broken. How do I open this? Here we go. And this is some lovely packaging so far. I'm going to slip, oh yes, there it is, Your Creative Studio. Scoot that aside. Got some things escaping their wrappings here. I think I did this upside down. So, oh, that's the rattling. Okay, I'm not so worried now that metal things have popped out because they make those sounds. So this is a really beautiful piece. Is the business card. It says thank you. But definitely going to reuse that as ephemera. I'll put that there. So I'm going to try to open this without wrecking the tissue paper. Well, just ignore that barking. Maybe I should silence my phone. I have a motion alert, and I thought it'd be funny to make it sound like dogs barking. So, not too bad there. So this, I said, was the July one, I think. And we have a couple metal clips. Ooh, they feel nice and sturdy. Set those there. And let's see what's on top here. Oh, are these stamps? Focus there. What does it say? Oh yeah, peel the individual stamp from backing, stick to an acrylic block. So, and it looks like there's kind of a stationery theme here with clips and bulldog clips, etc. Now this here, I'll grab something to help it to focus, is a stamp set. Possibly that's Japanese. I don't know my Asian characters. Life is not as bad as you think. Life is great, not as bad as you think. Looks like lavender maybe. Gonna silence the dogs there. Those are pretty. Then we have, it says deco stickers. Focus there. Maybe pause to see all those. They look like vellum. Let me just pull out a couple here because I don't really want to go through all of them. Yeah, it feels like a vellum sticker. Nice and vintage. Whoa, a pair of men's shoes. Cute. And the sticky notes. Mine's bent up a little bit there. Can you see? I think I've seen someone else unbox. I'm getting mine awfully late, but you know. So let me know in the comments if you'd like to see what I do with this, or maybe I'll even put something together in time. I don't know. What is this? Oh, this is a notepad. Oh, what beautiful paper. Focus there. Look at that. And you get a whole notepad of that. That's going to be fun to use. This says Cottage Garden, 60 pieces. Maybe these are some sort of ephemera. Oh yeah, this would be great for collage. There's squares, and I absolutely love anything postage, postcard. They're nice, they're thin, so that's what I mean, great for collage, but even just gluing down in a journal. And actually, I'm working on another kind of postage themed journal. So that'll be great for that. These are some larger ones still in there. Let me see if I can just fan them out. Oh, I like the butterfly. Ooh, I love the rose. Okay, scoot. Another clip. And then we have some pretty packages. This is Cling Stamp. Don't want to get rough with it because I kind of want to reuse everything. Although that sticker wants to stay, but that's okay. I was kind of rough with that one. Let's see. Oh, there's more than one in here. Looks like there's two of them. These look like fancy clips. Oh, that's not focusing. Come on, there you go. Sort of like one of these, only real fancy, maybe. Vintage looking. That'd be fun to stamp as accents on a page. Again, that's my guess that this is an ornate, like, bulldog clip. And then here's some masking tape. So I think I just got a 3-month subscription, but who knows, maybe I'll have to extend it if I find that I'm using everything really well. Focus their camera. Look at that beautiful vintage. So, and these are probably clear stickers. Again, they're the little clips, and then it looks like vellum paper is the last item. Let me grab my little... That's beautiful. You see it's got that translucent look to it. Look at that one. That would even be fun, even if you didn't use the whole paper, using elements of it. Oops. That one. And finally, this one here.